Namaste. On behalf of Mrs. India family, I, Dipali Farnes, would like to welcome all of you on board. You have made it. Your journey with Mrs. India has already begun. Mrs. India has spread all across India. Though we stay at different locations, different places, we are one close knit family. We stay connected, we stay together, we grow together, and we are stronger together. So welcome one more time on Mrs. India family. I would like to congratulate Mamta Trivedi for hosting Mrs. India Telangana 2020, and I'm sure what challenge it must have been, especially in these tough times. And she has made something different, something very new, entirely new format, and I can just imagine the challenges that Mamta Trivedi must have gone through, and I can just visualize if this would have been any other year, like any regular year. Mamta could have, on my arrival, Mamta just could have, ran like a kid, and she could have, extended her arms, giving me a very warm bear hug, I'm sure. And Mamta, I truly miss that today. But in these situations, we should stay home, we should stay safe. So I have no complaints, but yes, I'm very proud of you. Especially I have seen Mamta, transformation of Mamta from a lady who cannot even travel in a bus, even in a luxury bus, to a lady traveling on her own to represent India internationally and winning Mrs. Asia International. I have seen your transformation, girl. You go. I am so proud of you. I have seen Mamta maintaining equilibrium when she could not make it to Mrs. India South, till making it, winning Mrs. Asia International. I have seen her ability to maintain the equilibrium in ups and downs, and I think that is what the attitude of Queen look like. I have seen Mamta as a head of the family, a head lady of the family, a lady who has been taken care so very well by a very sweet family, by a very caring family, where her word is order. So from being that woman to keeping herself, allowing herself to learn new things, Mamta has always been a very amusing. Mamta has been so much pampered, like really pampered by her friends, by her family. So much celebrated, her daughter-in-law. Even she has accomplished so much in her life, such a successful lady who have everything under her thumb, but still Mamta has never given up on learning new things. She has never given, I have never seen her giving her any excuse of age, a gender, or anything. She has always been ready to accept new challenges, and she has made it every time. So every challenge she has taken, she has never given up. She has always made it, and I think that is what makes her a true queen. The best quality of Mamta is that she tries to make everyone happy, and I can only understand, in making everyone happy, in keeping everyone happy, she herself goes through lots of pressure, but still she makes it. And I think that is an attitude of a queen, and that is an attitude of Mrs. India. So I am so proud of you, Mamta. You made it. And for all the contestants of Mrs. India Telangana 2020, your journey has already begun. You are already there. First of all, a big congratulations, and take a pride. You have made it in these tough times when it is merely difficult to manage your own domestic chores, taking care of your domestic work, your housework. In that, you're still able to make it here. Enjoy this journey, enjoy this transformation. This journey is going to bring a different person in you. It is a self-discovery. It is all about keeping yourself high-headed, being what you are, celebrating what you are. Do not get carried away by the negative people who try to pull you down, who try to push you out. Do not bother with such people. Do not get carried away with these type of people. Do not get carried away with the people who try to show something which is very illusionary, or something that doesn't exist. So don't believe on anything else. Don't believe on anybody else. Just believe in yourself. You are what you are, and no one can take away from you, no matter what you do, no matter where you are. And you are really very, very, very fortunate that you have someone so generous, so gentle as Mamta Trivedi. And as I have told you, that I have seen her journey. I have seen her as a homemaker. I have seen her as a daughter. Even in the toughest situations, she decided that she's not going to leave her mother on her own. She made sure that she's there in the journey, in the toughest, the most painful journey of her mother, fighting through cancer. She is always been there till she, I think I have seen a fighter in Mamta, and trust me, it is not every woman's cup of tea. She is pampered and celebrated daughter-in-law, a very responsible daughter. So what a woman should have, what a today's woman should possess, the qualities, Mamta is the one who have all those qualities in her. She is a good learner, and today I would like to say that Mr. Mamta Trivedi, Mr. Pankaj Trivedi always insisted Mamta to call me a teacher, but today I must say, Mamta, kaise kiya, you made it. And I'm sure that if we would have met in real, you would have said, ma'am, आपको अच्छा लगा ना, आप खुश हो ना, लोग बहुत परेशान कर रहे हैं. I know what you would have said. I just can imagine. I miss you. I miss Hyderabad, and I definitely miss the delicious food made by Mamta. Mamta is a very good chef. Fortunate are the people who have gone to her home and eaten all the delicious food that she make. I'm missing Hyderabadi double ka meetha, Hyderabadi biryani, vegetable biryani, and so many things. Of course, Hyderabad is one of my favorite city. It is a beautiful city, and of course, the city is where Mrs. India Telangana is happening. Of course, it's happening virtually, and none other than our own Queen Mamta Trivedi is hosting this. So, wish you all the best, all the contestants. Mamta, I miss you. I miss Mrs. India Telangana, but I'm so much proud of you. Woo! You made it, girl. You made it. It's not anyone's cup of tea, and I'm gonna take special lessons from you. And all the contestants, make sure that you enjoy this journey, and I'm gonna see you soon. Take care. Bye bye, and wish you all the luck. Mrs. India rocks. Mrs. India family rocks. Take care, Mrs. India Telangana 2020. All the best.